This galvanized steel staircase was manufactured by Fontenot Staircases, which is a UK-based company that specializes in modular stair kits. This stairway has 25-inch wide steel treads, a 37-inch wide steel landing, and a steel center pole. Assembly is really easy. You just slide the treads over the steel center pole, and the treads are separated by plastic spacers. You can orient the staircase to curve left or right, as it is modular. This staircase is ready for just about any application, as treads can be added or subtracted to raise or lower the height of the staircase itself. We had fun setting it up on the corner of our building, so come by our Roanoke showroom and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching this week's Item of the Week.